Hey everyone, and welcome to Carrie's Garage. And on this episode, we're going to talk about the car I just recently bought. It's on my trailer, and let's take a look at it and talk about why I bought it. So this is a 2012 Smart Passion. As you can tell, it is quite wrecked in the front. I found this car at a local auction a couple of days out, last week or so. The auction was on Friday, and it was cheap. I paid 500 some bucks for it or whatnot, and it was a little bit more with the buyer's fees. But it runs, it drives. Funny enough as it is, I actually drove it up onto the trailer. Airbags are blown, but my idea is hopefully I can pull the engine out of it and make the 2009 Smart car run again. Overall, in general, I'm probably just going to end up pulling most of the parts off of it and selling it to some people and taking what I need. It also has an upgraded Pioneer touchscreen sound system. I mean, it's a few years old, but it works fine. It's got the tack and clock, and overall it's got a bunch of really good parts on it. But let me plug in the battery and I will show you. Let's see. It's thinking. I think it's trying to put itself in a neutral. Yeah, it started the other day when I bought it. I don't know what's going on with it. Huh. Sounds like the transmission is, Oh, there you go. See? Starts right up. Runs pretty good. And really, for as cheap as this car was, and everything that's on it, and what I can use, I kind of couldn't turn it down. That's why I also should not go to auto auctions, because then I find stuff like this. There was actually a 2008 Passion there as well that I was planning on bidding on. I was actually going to buy both of them at the same time, but yeah, that other car went for way too much money, and it didn't have as much goodies as this one does. So, you know, for how cheap it was, I figure why not. I can pull parts off of it, use the engine, and hopefully get the 2009 Brabus running again, since that one has a very blown head gasket. Doing all the work, though, is going to be a total pain. It's a lot of work to pull the engine on this. It's going to be a lot of work to pull the engine on the other one and install this engine, but I figure I'll find a few days to pull this thing apart, gut a bunch of parts off of it. I've put the word out on the Smart group, and a bunch of people have already gauged some interest in some parts on it, so I think it'll work out overall. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next episode, and we'll start doing stuff with Smarts here soon.